Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video from Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create Midjourney prompts with ChatGPT. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to create the Midjourney prompt from ChatGPT, you just simply have to open your ChatGPT application or ChatGPT into the site. Now into the chat section, you just simply have to write create Midjourney prompts to and your objective. For me, I'm entering create a snake driving a supercar in hills. That's some wild imagination, isn't it? Just simply then after writing this, just simply tap into send button, then it will create a prompt for yourself. And from here, you just simply have to copy any of the prompt that you like and open the Midjourney, and then you can create your imaginations from Midjourney. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.